All right, guys, welcome to 2022. Before we get into today's video, real quick, I just want to make the announcement that we have the new drop available on BeWeirdShop.com. Remember, I finally got the URL that I worked so hard to get. So it's now BeWeirdShop.com instead of OBBShop.com. So make sure you guys hit that site. The link is in the description with the new link, so go hit it up. We got a brand new drop right now with 2 shirts and 1 hat and a sticker pack. So what we're doing is we're selling everything individually, and then we're also going to be selling a pack for 65 bucks. You know what, screw it, we're gonna make it 60. It's just gonna be $60. I mean, I don't know why, I don't need the extra $5, it's fine. $60, you're gonna get 2 t-shirts, 1 hat, and that cool sticker pack that I'm making. So we got this t-shirt right here, we got Weird TV. I actually thought about making the channel name this at one point or another. I don't know why I didn't. I still kind of want to, but I feel like we're kind of gone too far with the whole Be Weird thing, or it'd be kind of stupid to change it now. But I really do like this design. I had one of my buddies draw this up for me. Turned out awesome. Then we got this shirt. I've been working on the 4Runner a lot lately. I've been putting a lot of time, and I've been loving that thing more than anything. And I got some videos of me and Dax actually coming out in the next couple of days of us going off-roading together, and it literally looks exactly like this. Me in the driver's seat, Dax in the passenger seat, ripping. Got the 4Runner here, Be Weird on the side. My friend also drew this one up as well. Then we got the Weird TV hat. Just one of the trucker hats. The only hats I ever wear are trucker hats. I absolutely love trucker hats. I used to like dad hats, not so much anymore. For some reason, the truckers just fit my head like way better. So we got this hat right here, this shirt right here, this shirt right here. The t-shirts are full color, so they're 25 bucks a pop. The hats are $20 a pop, and then the sticker packs are gonna be $4 a pop. Or if you get the whole package, you can get everything for 60 bucks. So hit the link down below. Remember to go grab something at the end of this video. And yeah, thank you ahead of time for anybody who buys any of this merch. It really means a lot. That's what supports the channel. That's what allows us to continue these videos. We got a cool trip planned out for like 2 weeks from now. We're gonna go to Ohio, and we're gonna ride Rays and possibly Wheel Mill, which is in Pittsburgh. We might rent a car to do that. So go grab some merch, guys, and enjoy the rest of the video. All right, it's another freaking beautiful day in Florida. We've been getting some really good weather the last couple of days. We had a couple of days last week that were super rainy, but now we're not raining anymore. We're going over to Trey's. Ray, Dax, go say hi to Melvin for a little bit. Today, Trey's finishing off the left bolt corner because, as you know, in the last video, we were kind of skating it and we had to like power through that. So he's gonna power through that bolt corner today. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start cutting a bunch of slits in some coping to try to bend the coping around the top part. We have no idea what the hell we're doing here. It's probably gonna turn out super bad, but I mean, we're gonna go for it. The idea is if we cut enough slits in it and we push it down into this form that Trey made, we can get the correct bend, and then I will weld it together, or Dave or Trey, whoever wants to weld it together. No, I don't wanna take this today. I wanna take freaking red turd. Good boy. Let's do it, Dax. Oh, awesome. One of the dogs shit on the coping. Perfect. All right, so I put a bunch of cuts in here, 6 inches apart. I try to line them up all on the bottom. Main goal is not to have this thing kink.
Wrap a bunch of ratchet. I have like 4 or 5 ratchet straps, and we'll just like.
And we'll start up there. Yeah, let's do that. We don't have the strength to do that. I mean, it's gonna bend because there's relief cuts in it, but not based off of our human strength. So Trey brought up a really good idea to do ratchet straps. So we're gonna start like with ratchet straps around the whole tire structure. So like one here, one there, one there, one there, and one in the middle. And then we'll suck it down to the wood. And we just don't want it to kink because Trey's worried that once it kinks, it just like, it's gonna be like, feel like shit.
Let's go, right? Is it going?
All right, time to try this again. We doubled up the cuts. Every 3 inches now. That looks like a weird ass straw. Rip, honey boy. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god, that was terrible.
Really?
Oh my god. Oh! God, it was like direct asshole impact. made me feel like I had to shit, like I had to shit myself.
At least that far.
Try to bend this thing and it just wants to split in certain areas way more than others.
Just pop it on one side.
Trey's gonna try to weld that one spot together so that it doesn't keep bending there. Because you see, some of them are super close together and that one's just like spread out.
I don't know, man. This looks sketchy. I wouldn't grind that thing if I were you.
I don't think any of us would ever grind this.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is an obstacle that's just for looks here.
I'm gonna grind it.
It's going
Update. We gave up on the rail. We're just gonna ride. Now that it's somewhat done, we're just giving up on it.
Woohoo! Great.
It's great.
Good ramp, guys.
Hit the loop, Dave.
I just like this manual around it or something. Your bars feel like all my shoulders.
You're like almost the same height as me too, which is absolutely crazy.
Big floatish.
What was that? What was that noise? It's so tight in there, man.
You going so
Oh, there you go. That was better. I see what you're saying now.
I'll be back.
So
All right, well, here on the How to Do Everything YouTube channel, it's done. So that's how you do it.
we just hit it with a sledgehammer. It was sick, but I didn't film it because I was hitting it with a sledgehammer.
No, big boy, no.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's perfect.
That works. A little kooky. I think I just need to cut that. It's it grew. No, it's longer. Look. Weird. All right.
On that
Maybe
side.
we should drill it out and start screwing it in as we go along.
And hit it maybe. Bend it down.
Yeah.
Hit it in place.
Trim some of this shit back so it sits right.
Yeah.
Cool. It's not bad at all.
Decent. Yeah, we got a little flare up here, but if you cut it right here and then do what you said and screw it in and just smack her down.
Yeah, that side's up.
Dave, figure this out, man. I don't know. This is beyond me.
It's figured.
It's figured.
I'll screw this.
Got the rail in. All we gotta do now is weld it. We thought we were gonna give up. I mean, it's a little wonky, but again, none of us are gonna hit this. There's literally not one of us that'll hit this.
You thought we were gonna give up. You did.
You did, not me. You said, I'm over this shit.
Can't do it.
That's not true.
We're gonna give this up.
That's not true.
Please give it up.
We're gonna give it up.
Do a little fill job there, a little sand down, it'll be good. Oh, we gotta get these down too. Shit.
Sand that sucker right down. I'll grind it. I'll go get my bike.
What happened to your bike,
Tell the
Dave?
viewers what
I
happened.
did.
Here's what happened.
What happened, Dave?
Big boy backed over my wheel, and then
I'll put the
now
photo
he's
in
just
now.
Put the photo in.
Oh, whatever, dude.
That's not
I'm like, cool, you gonna get me a new wheel? And you're like, yeah, I got a ton of right-hand drive. But I don't want a right-hand drive.
Dave needs a left-hand drive, not a right-hand drive. We're all right-hand drives, so I will get him
Oh,
a
I
new
have a
wheel.
right-hand drive.
I'll get you a brand new wheel.
Fuck it.
I'm sorry, but I definitely did smoke it one day at the property. He had it up against a tree, and when I pulled out, I didn't see it. Big old diesel just took that thing. I didn't even know what happened. Had no idea.
Big old diesel. Hey, you were going hard. That's what happened.
That's what happened, dude.
Even when you back out.
Yeah.
Yes.
get and weld it, and then we'll grind it down, and then grind down all those other tabs. And that's this side done. Yeah. Then we got to do this side right here. You got the coping for this side already, or we're gonna have to buy it? Have to go buy it.
I don't have anything.
Unless you want to use something a little skinnier, and we'll just kind of blend it.
I mean, the only other piece is the piece that you have in your house.
Yeah, we could just blend it.
You want to go grab it? We'll find out. Let's see if it'll work.
Yeah, let me go grab that. We're not doing any cuts on this one because this one's thinner and it should potentially bend easier, but we're not sure.
Yeah, literally no idea.
Winging it here, folks. Just winging it. All right, now it should bend. Give it a whack, Dave. Jesus Christ, these guys shit at me.
It's denting it.
I already did it.
Huh?
That was me already.
Oh.
Big boy already doing it.
Uh-oh. This is 100% the way you're supposed to do this. Like professionals, they do it like this. Woodward, they do it like this. Don't even bother commenting because we already know this is the right way.
Did it?
Starting to.
Yep.
Deeper over here. There's not as many cuts in this one, huh?
So we got a little surprise for Dave. Oh, fresh one. Dave, got you a fresh wheel since I gotta go find your bike to show him.
Left-hand drive?
Yep.
Really?
There you go, man.
Thank you.
I'm sorry for running over your bike. Where's your bike? In the back?
Just put it on and change my tires.
Yeah, where is your bike?
It's at my house.
Oh shit, the one time you bring it home.
Isn't the same wheel I had?
Might be a better rim. A newer rim, so that'd be good.
New one.
They make drive side hub guards if you want one of those too.
You got metal hub? Metal hub guard?
I have one at my house, I think. I can get you that instead.